record something very interesting. The shrubs here are euphorbias. And this is sort of the east side rear of the property. But look at the color on them. It's pretty, they're pinkish. So I don't know if that's a result of the soil difference. Not sure. But I purchased 6. They were on the clearance rack at Lowe's. And I set another one on the west side. Did I say this is the east side? Yeah, this is the east side rear. Okay, and this is what I want to point out. Euphorbia and another horticulture name, but for the variety. Well, I want to show you something. I have the same exact shrub. I bought them at the same time. I just planted 4 or 5 here, and then the spare I put on the side in my holding, what I call my holding hospital bed. All right, let's walk over there and let me show you the difference. There one. I just stuck it in the ground here until I needed it somewhere else. But look how well it's doing. I mean, it looks like it's in the same season that I planted it in. And it is doing so well. I mean, as far as the color and the growth, it's amazing the difference. My juniper bed, because that is the 5th juniper that was struggling on the slope side, but it's picking up, looking much better. See, that 5th one was purchased the same time as these, and it was here on the end, and so I think by the time the water filtered down, it just was not getting enough, so I had to move it. And so you see it over there in the background. These have just shot up. These are now at least, they're a little taller than me, so they must be about 5'4", on their way to 6 feet. So this spring, I'm expecting them to be 6 feet tall and a couple of inches more wider, probably touching, but not quite touching yet, but very exciting. Okay. I just want to point that out about those euphorbias. Very interesting. Gardening is such a fascinating thing to watch. All right, guys, have a great day, a Merry Christmas, and a wonderful New Year if I don't talk to you before then. Bye.